We have a pile of parts over here. That's our little 25 kg Anyang hammer. Time to put it together in a safe way possible, on my own, with my favourite tool in the workshop, the gouge crane. Right, let's have a little look at what we've managed so far. Bit of wobbly camera work there. Right, so this hammer, the base is actually filled full of concrete, which adds nearly 1/4 of a ton to its mass. This is the installation guide from Anyang itself. They've got some very handy forklift tine cutouts, but when you need to actually use a pallet truck to get through a door that won't fit sideways, the handy lifting strop is inside the concrete. So we've had to chisel the concrete out of that. Time to put the belts in the back. Now let's put them where they're meant to go. Right, so again, that's pretty much everything. The main components now connected. Things left to do today is the motor bolted down and intentioned, get the connecting rod added to the pedals, and then realistically, I think that's about all we're actually going to be able to do for a day or so on this. Next job is going to be look at the fly press, but also trying to work out where in this workshop are we going to have a forging area? Where are we going to have the foundry area? Where are we going to have a grinding room, a clean room for moulding? Luckily, it's still an absolutely stunning day outside. Not that most of us can go outside a great deal. So enjoy what you can, guys and girls. Take care.